So guys, in this video I will be doing a replacement for this screen. This one is a Samsung. I think it's T500, but I am just going to confirm. Yes, this is a Samsung Galaxy S7. This one is a 10.4 inch, and as you can see we have some cracks and stuff, but we are going to do a screen replacement. The screen is still functional. As you can see, so it is still functional, you can see, but the screen is cracked up, especially in this corner here. So what we're going to be doing, a screen replacement. So definitely, as you can see, we have the ribbon here for the screen. So we don't want to burst or damage the ribbon in any way. So you can unplug this, and then we want to remove the ribbon for the screen. Two screws. Removed. Unplug the screen. Also, we will be reusing this ribbon as well on the new screen, so we need to when you're connecting the ribbon, you need to ensure that it is done properly or it won't work. So guys, as you can see, everything is working, and we just power off the tablet. So what we need to do now is to just connect back the necessary metal pieces, and also put back in the screws, and then we're going to stick this screen down. So the best position to put the screen is this way, but when you put it this way, you do not want to press on the screen, as you can damage it. So this is the metal fitting for the battery area. We also have this one for the LCD cable for the screen. We'll put that in place, and we are going to put this in, and 2 more screws to go. It's quite easy. It's quite easy once you take your time. And for the last screw, okay, here it is. It's very good to have magnetic screwdriver when you do these work. It actually make it, you know, more easier. So we're gonna put in the last screw here, and we're done. So all we have to do is to stick